I'm in my head again. Okay, guys, I'm live on YouTube. GBS. Let's look at GBS. Hold on. Again, if you want me to look at anything, let me know right now so I can get it done. When market opens, I'm going to be focusing on my watch list. And I will look at IGC after this. GBS on the daily chart. There's nothing screaming bullish for me. But there's also nothing screaming bearish. We gapped up significantly and then gave everything back. Then yesterday we closed very close to the bottom, which is not good, not what we want to see. That is indicating to me that we have still bullish momentum to the downside. We're good. Then for GBS, if we break 316, we have room down to 250. Ideally, we don't want that to happen. We had a nice double bottom on the daily. As long as we can hold this and continue with this pattern, we have room. We have a lot of room to the upside for GBS. Let's go ahead and look at IGC. I think the best ETF to jump into would be F. I don't do ETFs. They don't give you enough profit. If I was to do an ETF, I would do ARK. ARK Invests. Or the space investment by Kathy Woods. Guys, we're so close to 1,000 likes. Let's try to hit 1,000 likes. Thank you for the follow. Never hit 1,000 likes on stream. Okay, IGC. Nice double bottom. Did I already look at this one? I don't think I did. I'm not. Oh yeah, I already did look at IGC. Now we have SOS. Thank you for the rose. Bitcoin passed 50K. Let's look at Bitcoin, guys. If you want to see my screen, go over to the YouTube. Links in bio. I'm actually live on YouTube right now. And if I can get 10 people in the live, I'll drop a fat discount. Might give out some like hundreds of dollars of stuff for free. Bitcoin passed 50K. It's at 50K, but guys, we don't have good enough volume, really. Ideally, I mean, this September is going to actually make or break Bitcoin. Either September is going to absolutely rip and run for the cryptocurrencies, or we're not going to go through at all. SOS on today. Sorry, man, I forgot about that. Let's take a peek. Still got a gap to fill at 981. On today, we had increasing volume yesterday with a really long wick. That was telling me that today was going to be a red day. We have decreasing volume. I do expect it. We had a nice double bottom. I do expect it probably to pull back to around 282 before continuing higher. Maybe test the 9 EMA, 20 EMA before moving farther. Once we break this 304 and hold 304 or hold $3, we have a gap to fill at like 315 and then 350 for SOS. And SOS was all the way up at 16 bucks at one time. Jesus fuck. MMAT. Okay. We're seeing some bullish movement now. We're seeing some bullish movement with increasing volume to the upside. That's what I like to see. Right now, I see more bullish indications for MMAT. If we break that 579 level with increasing volume, we really have a lot. We have a lot of room to the upside. We have room up to then 667. That's gonna be our first resistance. If we break that, we have room then up to $8. So there's a lot of upside potential for MMAT. Guys, let's try to get to 1,000 likes. We're almost there. Tap that screen. TikTok also pushes it. I would absolutely love it if you guys could do that. AMZN. Amazon. Amazon ripped and run. Double top. Continue lower. Let's go ahead and take a peek at what this retraced to. So we take it from the previous low to the previous high. Retraced to the 61.8. So that's a normal retracement. So if we go ahead and do a Fibonacci extensions, where could this possibly be? I think we're going to see Amazon back down to that $2,900 level. Unless we can, well, that's if we break the $3,200. Yes, 100,000 likes. Thank you. Or not 100,000. 1,000 likes. Thank you so much. If Amazon breaks this $3,200 level, we are coming down to around 2,800, 2,700 for Amazon. What do you say about MMAT? I forget what I said. Let me go back and look. Oh, I think MMAT has some bullish movement. Yesterday we closed really close to the high, so that's telling me that we have bullish with increasing volume. If we break over 577, we have room up to 6. Well, if we break over 577, we have room up to like 730 and then $8 for MMAT. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take a peek at some of my. Oh shit! Oh no, never mind. Okay, nice double bottom movement. Yeah, long wicks. I look for the sell-off for APOP. I think we see a selling climax here, but I could be wrong. 3.1K likes. Awesome. AMC, let's look. Thank you for the follow. AMC. AMC looks. I mean, honestly, we might be seeing an. Oh, don't like that. Double top. We have very light volume with this spread being very large. That is telling me that the market makers aren't actually jumping in on its play. So as long as we don't break 39.38, I'm bullish on AMC. Facebook. FB forgot. Yes, my bad. If you did say it, I did not see it. Facebook. Yesterday, previous high. Not too much volume, decreasing volume. We have increasing volume yesterday. Absolutely came down, retested. There's nothing screaming to me that this is bullish. There's no really patterns or nothing. So just kind of just moving up. I mean, Facebook could do something. We might bounce off the 9 EMA. We might bounce off the 20 EMA. We really have to find out what's happening with the market really before we even worry about what's going on. 9:50, guys. We have 30 minutes till market opens. 30 minutes until market opens. We got AT&T, big push. What is AT&T's ticker? And we got TY. Increasing high volume yesterday on TY, but we have a very, very high wick. That is telling me that the sellers are now in control. Even though yesterday was green, it got to a demand zone or a supply zone, and the sellers just absolutely ripped them apart and just took them back. So I think we do have some bearish momentum for TY. But you know, this looks like a normal stock that's kind of been. This just looks like if you look at any stock over the period of the past 3 years, almost all of them look the same with that big dip. Not all of them, of course, with like the hype stocks, but the more like big name companies. NIO. I already did MMAT. I think MMAT is bullish. NIO. I like NIO. I don't want to see it below 39. We got T. We have bullish momentum with increasing volume. So I do like that. I think we closed above the 20 EMA. If we break 27.70, we have room up to 28.30. We do have a gap to fill at 29.90, 28.93. So maybe we can have a double bottom with a move higher to 29. That's what I'm gonna really look for, guys. 1.4 thousand likes. Thank you so much. Excuse me. Again, right now I'm trading with around $2,400 for the small count challenge day, which is awesome. Ready to make some money. Nah, I can't. Thank you for the likes. All right, there we go. Someone gave me a call. Thank you for the likes. Really, right now, the best stock, in my opinion, to watch is APOP. APOP. It's gapped up. How long is it gapped up? 68% now. 68%. So I'm actually gonna readjust my monitor, or no, my Windows platform real quick. I want to make sure I can see my YouTube chat room. Guys, yeah. So right now I have 3 chat rooms open. I have 3 monitors. I have 3 chat rooms open. YouTube open. My scanner's open. My level 2 in a new window. My live news in a new window. My music. My trading platform. So it's a little bit. XRP and Quant, wake up and buy. That's what I'm saying, baby. XRP Quant, I'm with you. I'm with you. What do you see when you look at me? And ICP, Internet Computer. That's what I like. Ladders is a good song. Ladders is a really good song. So guys, what we're going, again, we're looking for this double bottom. APOP, double bottom. We're looking for it. We want to see a double bottom on the 5-minute candle. Or we have around 6 candles left. I want to see this nice slow downtrend. Maybe a washout to around $8. If it washes around to $8.80. I can get 250 shares, and if I would ideally want to catch a dollar move here. If I can catch a dollar move, that would be awesome. Wait, what was the actual? Why is it moving? Feel it a riddle, feel it a rot. A bone marrow transplant. Oh, let's see what Josh has to say. Is he live? I don't think he's on. Ah! Yeah, the 5-minute looks like we're gonna have a nice double bottom. Hopefully then it would transition into the 15-minute. And then we'll be able to catch this move higher. Let's go ahead and look at what APOP does. Last time we gapped up significantly. We ran and then apps gave everything back. How much did we run though? We ran around 50 cents. So if, I mean, I would gladly catch 50 cents. Another time we gapped up, we ran 25% or about $1.5. So APOP has a history of giving everything back. It also has a history of running. So our job is to find out when it's going to move and when is it going to reverse. And you know, I have no idea when it's going to reverse, but I will be able to catch the move, manage my risk appropriately, and I will be able to capitalize on the move and not get caught to the downside. My plan for APOP, looking for washout long, guys. Ideally, if we don't, it's a little too loud. Ideally, we'll stay somewhere around $9, maybe wash out to around $8.84, and then I would buy in around 250 shares and catch the move, maybe back up to this previous high of around $9.80. I would sell half once I'm up to my price target. Once I'm up like maybe $100 or so, sell half. Then I would be keeping the rest. My stop would be moving up slowly, and if I see any signs of weakness, I would slowly start to exit as it comes up. But if I don't see any signs of weakness, I'll let the other half ride. Shit, it's Friday. $1.6 likes, guys. Let's try to get that to 2,000. Let's try to get that to 2,000. That was a good. You guys absolutely killed it on the likes. SNDL. What's going on with SNDL? SNDL. Really, we had a nice double bottom on the daily. I do indeed like that. Let's go ahead and jump to like a weekly time frame. I mean, on the weekly time frame now. Wait, do we have increasing volume? We have decreasing volume to the upside, which is what we don't want to see. I mean, we also still have I guess this is the last day. So that's the first sign of it, me thinking that it's not going to move. But again, I could be wrong. Maybe today will be the day that it actually gets the rest of its volume, which could make sense. Then if we do see this, we have room back up to 0.9. If we break 0.9, we have room up to break $1. Maybe not today, but maybe by the end of next week or next 2 weeks. We'll have to see what happens with that SNDL. Again, guys, right now it is 9:01. 30 minutes left. 30 minutes left, guys. Yep. It's a pretty decent day. I'm looking for, guys, this is my strategy for this small account challenge. I'm going to so the past few days I've been able to make around 80 to 100 bucks a day. But what I want to do for the small account is actually every time I lose, I'm only risking at maximum $50. Maximum $50. So that one day when I run or when I win, it takes out that loss. And then I also make some more money. Thank you for the likes. We're at 1.7, guys. We're so close to 2,000. Let's get this going. So that's my plan. And I'm not really going to take a trade unless it gives me over $100. And I'm only trading with $2,400. So like, that's a good return, but it can be better, way better. SNDL 1.8, guys. We're close. Woo-hoo! I'm excited. Thank you guys. I'm more energetic than I thought. I only have a quarter of this. Shit. We got a new stock to look at. We have KBSF 1.9. We're close. Oh. What's going on here? Why? Sales 12.7 million, up 183% year over year. Okay. This is a good amount of money. Yes! 2,000 likes. Thank you so much. Awesome. All right. KBSF is I didn't acquire, but they got a $12 million. I don't even know. That's a lot. That's a lot of money. So they're on the watch list now, and we're keeping them up. 2.1. You guys are awesome. Then we have again right now APOP. I'm looking for that decreasing volume pullback. I want it to come down into the around $9, maybe hold 9, wash out right at the beginning to 884 maybe. So we'll see what happens. 2.2, awesome. Wow. So APOP is hard to borrow. Oh, what about ENBV? Hard to borrow. Okay. FTFT, hard to borrow. Huh. I just now noticed that. Let's go to like easy to borrow. So right now, guys, the top stock to watch is APOP. Very low float. It's gapping up significantly. They did a bone marrow transplant. I think successfully. So that's what we're going to be looking for. Holy shit. Oh. FBRX. Why is FBRX going? Why is FBRX down 80%? I'm not too sure, honestly. I'm not too sure. Oh, I think it was like an acquisition or something. But we're not gonna mess with it. we're not going to mess with. We do have a nice uptrend on the play for APOP. So I do expect to actually either bounce and continue lower, or we'll see what happens, honestly, with APOP. We have no idea. Oh, bless me. Is Amazon an uptrend now? Honestly, I don't think so. I don't think so. I think we have some oh, I don't want to be on the weekly chart anymore. We gap down, we're coming up to fill it, we're hitting our resistance, but we are decreasing in volume. I mean, we might pull back to around 3,400. And then maybe continue higher to fill this gap up to 360 or 3,600. But if we don't break the previous high of 3,700, then we're going to come down even more. I think I'm short-term bullish on Amazon. Long term. I'm bullish on Amazon, but like medium time frame, I'm not really bullish on it. Bless you. Bless you. No. Thank you. Anyways, APOP. Really, we got to figure out what's going to happen. What's going on? If we can wash out, maybe we're nice cone formation almost. If we wash out again, I want to wash out to around 880. If we wash out to around 880, I'll jump into this play. Look for the move back up to 985. Yeah, I could get 100 or 260 shares. That's exactly what I would do as well. 260 shares. Once it hits like 5%, once I'm up 5%, boom, take off 150 shares. I'd probably take up 110 shares right away. Boom, lock in that profit, and then let the 150 ride so I can catch the dollar move if I can. Here's the move down to 9. We're moving down to 9 now. We have 20 minutes left till market open. So why would we risk our money in market open when it's this close? That's why one of my rules, I mean, I don't know, it's not much a rule, but it's something that I kind of live by. I don't take a trade 20 minutes before pre-market. Because what if you have to let the trade kind of play out, let it play out, and then market opens. It could be going your way, and then boom, instantly dump, you're out. Which is why I don't like trading pre-market. I mean, well, I do like trading pre-market, but that's why I don't trade 20 minutes before market open. If I'm very bullish on something or very bearish on something, you know, I might take a trade there, but with very small size, because I don't like it, because anything can happen. So I usually wait until I see a nice pattern on pre-market or at market open. I have to see what happens. Oh lordy. This is a good song. And right now, oh, KBSF could be double topping. Do you think SKLZ will go up? Let's look. Right now, we filled the gap. I think we have some movement to the upside, but we are gapping down. Double bottom potentially here. If we break 12.76, we have room up to 15. So I'm kind of bullish, but there's nothing screaming bullish. There's nothing screaming bearish for SKLZ. Oh shit, I gotta blow my nose. Hold on, I'll be right back, guys. Okay. For swing trade, I'm not much of a swing trader, man, so I'm not even gonna try to talk to you about it because I'm not gonna kind of give education on something that I'm not an expert at. That's not my expertise. I'm more of an in and out, in and out, in and out. Swing trading is even harder. With day trading, I can manage my risk every single second of the trade. With swing trading, you can't. You can if you have, but like overnight, while you're sleeping, you don't know what's gonna happen. We have 1, 2, looking for the third touch on the downtrend, looking for the washout long down to 880. Looking for the break, then catch potentially 80 cents here. DNN and sell today or keep? Let's look at DNN. That's the uranium mining, right? Yep. Oh yeah, it's doing good. It's doing good. I think I have some DNN. I don't really know what the I don't know what the my entry price was, but we have increasing volume. That's telling me that people are jumping into the play, so there might be a big news release coming out. So you want to sell the news. So whenever you see, yeah, no, I'll look at A and Y here in a sec. We have DNN. Since we have increasing volume without really news, I do expect there to be some kind of news coming in the future. People are buying the rumor, selling the news. So honestly, we have room up to 150. If we break 150, let's see where we can go. If we break 150, guys, we have room all the way back up to 180. We have increasing volume on this, which is very good. We've had, today was 485% higher than the average volume. So, I think you should hold it. I mean, I'm seeing bullish momentum. Nothing's screaming to me that this is bearish. Where do you see silver going? What's the ticker? I'm not too sure. Damn, A and Y is absolutely ripping and running. What's going on? Clear drawing set. Is there any news? Equity offering to fund crypto mining. Honestly, I'm starting to see some bearish momentum now. We have that long wick. Now we pulled back. Now we're down like I think 20%. Hold on. Can't see. I can't see the pre-market one, so let's go ahead and adjust this. We're down like 20% right now, which isn't the best. We're at 722. We are holding that level, but we could see the buyers kind of take it up and continue higher. We'll see what happens with A and Y. I don't know why it's moving up. Oh, the Bitcoin mining. So there might be buying the news, or they're buying the rumor, selling the news. That's exactly what's happening. Guys, come check me out on YouTube. You can trade live with me. You can see my screen. You can see everything I'm doing. Links in bio if you're interested, or just look up Stock Talk Trades. Silver's LSFT. Silver is pulling back 2%. I don't know the ticker for silver, so I don't know. Increasing volume. We are back above the 90 EMA. I like to call this the 920 squeeze. It's not an A+ setup because it's not right on a downtrend break. But we do have room back up to 2183 if we can fill that gap. Excuse me. Silver is SLV. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, we're at 2,300 likes. If we can get to 3,000, that would be crazy. My previous high was 800. You guys absolutely killed it. Thank you. Let's get to 3,000. Let's do it. Silver's very choppy. Very average volume. I'm not a huge fan of what the choppiness is, but we do have a downtrend on the play. So if we break this downtrend, we have room back up to fill this gap up at 23.3. So we have room up to, whoops. We're at 22, like 60 something right now. So I think we have room back up to 23.30. I don't know if that's gonna happen today or in the next few days, so we'll see. APOP's at 903. Perfect for us. We have 13 minutes left till market open. $23.50 on high today? Yeah, possibly. Lumen Solar Energy. Nice. Decreasing volume on the pullback, which is what I like to see. I want to see a double bottom. I don't want to break 884. If we pull back to around, I want us to hold 896, 895. That is my entry. Again, 896 or 895. I'm risking $32, guys, for the potential to gain. 13 cents and the potential to gain 50 to 80 to 90 cents. So that's a perfect trade in my book. This would be the only trade of the day for me. So if it doesn't happen right at market open, then I'm done trading. Because the small account is all about one trade, one consistent trade. And if I lose 30 bucks, then the next day when I win, I only take wins that will give me potentially close to $100 or more. LFST, please. Yes, I can. I was looking at that. I don't remember what I said on LST. LFST. Excuse me. I mean, we have room all the way back up to 2188 for that to fill the gap. Increasing volume in this uptrend. We do have a downtrend to break on the play, but we're not even close to the downtrend. So we'll see what happens for the next few days. We've had 1, 2, 3, 5, we've had 7 days in the green, but we have a long wick from yesterday. So I do expect maybe to have a red day or a potential doji candle for today. Yeah, I need to fucking sit up. 15 people, hell yeah, guys. Let's try to get 3,000 likes. TikTok also pushes the stream more. The more times it's liked, the more time the screen is tapped. If you guys could do that, that would be awesome for me. Let's get to 3,000. Do you do crypto? Yes, of course. Let's go ahead and I'll go ahead and take a look. If you want to see my screen on YouTube, check it up. I'll go through. So right now, Ethereum, decreasing volume, larger spread. I wouldn't touch Ethereum right now. I wouldn't touch it till it comes back down to 3,300 or maybe even 3,000. HBAR is another good one, decreasing volume. I wouldn't touch it right now, but it could continue to go up. Right now, September is the month that's going to absolutely rip and run. My favorite crypto projects are Ethereum, HBAR, XRP, VeChain, ICP, Quant. So if I had to pick 3 to invest in, I would pick XRP, ICP, and Quant. $2,500. Yes, thank you guys so much. Let's get to 3,000. We're so close. We're so close. We're so close. We're at 895 right now. 895. I don't want to break this previous low of 884 or 883. Too late. Too late to buy in quant. Should I wait until it drop? Quant. Let's see. We're kind of consolidating a little bit here. I honestly, quant is very good long term. I think quant is just a good long term investment. I would only invest in crypto the money that you're willing to let it sit in there for 6 months or more. So 2.8, we're so close, guys. So close. Let's get to 3K. Let's get to 3K. I think if you're, yeah, I think any time is a good time to buy quant. Crypto, stick to SL and 88. Oh, I don't know. Those are both good projects, but I wouldn't. I don't think they're the best. Quant has lower supply than Bitcoin, and its technology is unmatched. ICP has fucking amazing projects. The big dogs were selling, but I mean, I think we have room to the upside here for quant. We're kind of in this bullish consolidation. We don't see much of a selling climax, so I do expect it to break this and absolutely rip and run. So I think quant, ICP, and quant are good ones. I prefer to buy when bloods are in the street. Yes, I do too. You buy when other people are fearful, and you sell when people are greedy. IMPL is another stock that's gapping up significantly. Gapped up, gapping up, went all the way back down to 34. So this is another one to watch. Why is it moving? Gets FDA approval. Ooh, this is the new top stock to watch at the moment. IMPL, FDA approval. That is absolutely huge. We have decreasing volume on this pullback. Where can this go? What is going on? We have 7 minutes left to figure out where this can go. I want to see it come back and test again. I want to see it come back and test 28. Come back to 28, then we have room. We have a lot of room. IMPL is a great one to watch. Let's see what Josh has to say.
And then APOP at number 2 out of the gate. Very quickly, definitely. There's a lot of
there is.
So we're definitely going to watch it. Very, very high watch, especially right.
Is yes. IMPL is the top stock to watch. They got an FDA approval. Guys, we're only 100 likes away from 3,000. Start tapping the screen. Let's get to 3,000 likes. Do you do S&P 500 fund? No. I really don't. I don't do really ETFs. If I had to pick an ETF, I would pick BOTZ for that's AI, and then I think I would pick ARX because that's a space company, I believe, a space fund by Cathie Woods. Oh man, baby. Let's go, guys. We're at 100 likes. If you can tap the screen, let's get to 3,000. Let's do this. Let's get to 3,000. Market's about to open. Oh, if we wash out to around 30, I think we can get a. If we can catch like $2-3 on the move, that would be ideal. All right, guys. 1 minute, 30 seconds till market open, guys. A minute left. $28.15. We'll wash out long down to $28.15. I have a limit order. $28.15 for a washout long.
I'm sorry, guys, but I'm very today. I'm a little out of it.
I am too.
The market's open. Let's go. Let's have a day. Let's make some great trades and let's see those profits just growing, baby.
Oh yeah. 3,000. Yes. Thank you guys so much. Let's, hell yeah. Come on, wash out long down to 28. I'm down to 28. Yeah, I am too. Who are you listening to? I'm listening to Josh from Alpha Day Trading. He's another mentor and leader inside of chat. Hey Pop, kind of losing some steam. You want to see a nice red to green move here potentially. Oh, that would have been a very good entry down at 859. A-Pop's very choppy. Come down to 28. Oh, that would have been a very good entry, but it's super choppy. Don't have the volume. Guys, it's okay if you don't make a trade right out of the gate. It's all good. A-Pop dying off. ENVB kind of choppy. FTFT ripping and running. ADXS dying off. KBSF. Now 2850 is our new halt level. OBL, OLB is another halt. Why is it halted? I don't see any news, so. $3,000 likes. Hell yes. Thank you guys. 3,000 likes. Fuck yeah. That's a new record. MIMPL. Buyers at 30,000. If they start getting filled, we're coming down lower. Or buys at 30K. Or fucking $30. We don't want this guy at 30 starting to get filled. There's nothing crazy. I want to see this come down. I want to see this candle come down, make a new low. This guy's starting to get filled at 30. This guy's starting to get filled. I don't know where he's at. I don't know where he's at. He deleted his order or he got filled. Maybe a nice pivot low for APOP. Nope, never mind. Increasing volume now, increasing volume. But watch for the pop. I don't like, yeah, you could have gotten in, but I'm not a fan of it. We don't have decreasing volume. Thoughts on PKK and CSE? Don't really have any, my man. I don't know those fundamentally. I can look at them in a sec. I'm still looking for an entry potentially here. OBL is gonna be live in 10 minutes or 10 seconds. Should be live. Looks like it's a 10-minute halt. Looks like it's a 10-minute halt. Good. $30. We're at 30.05. 30. I don't see many big buyers or big sellers. Big buyer. He's getting taken out. We're coming lower. He's getting taken out. He got partially taken out. Might see a pivot low here. If we see a pivot low here, I'll join it. I'll jump in on the play. Down at 29. Down at 29. Thoughts on Apple and AMD? Apple's good. I have no idea about AMD. No idea, man. I wish I could. I wish I could give you some knowledge on it, but I don't have any. Don't like that. Come back for the retest around 28. Decreasing volume though. Decreasing volume. Came back and retest. I want to see if this closes a hammer. OLB will be live in a minute. OLB will be live in 10 seconds. We're live, gapped up, 40 cents. Want to look at a double bottom here. There was a nice, you could have got that trade for about around $1 a share now. Looking for the crack up. Very bullish. That would have been a very good trade, Europe. $2 a share. But I'm looking for the double bottom. Now we have the third touch on the downtrend. Want to see it come down, not break that 27.86 level. Maybe come back, retest 28 for the move higher. That's what I'm going to look for. Maybe a double bottom on APOP. Come on down a little bit more. I want to see decreasing volume on a pullback. Man, I missed the entry. My entry should have been at 28.79. I'm not going to chase it now. There we go. Nice pivot high here. Testing the downtrend. We have room to the upside now. We have room to 31.40. That's why I don't chase. That's why I don't chase. It just dumped. Come on, come back down to 28.80. If you come back down to 28.80, I will add in a small starter. What's running? All I see is red. Running is APOP, OLB, NEON, IMPL. They're all running. They're all running. I'm gonna start a starter with that would have been a good entry, but I wasn't able to catch it. IMPL is very choppy. Halt levels at 32.17. Pivot high, don't like it. It might crack. There's a lot of selling, a lot of selling. Very light volume, very light volume. I can look. I can look at. I can look at it in a second. It's D. What? DSCR. It's not on our scanner, so it's not something that traders are looking at. I can look at it when after I'm done trading though. I can look at any of your guys' stocks when I make this trade. Yeah, we have no idea at the moment. It breaks 27, 29. We're coming down lower. Don't like that. Did not break the previous low, but no news on EON. Don't like it. Oh man. Oh. I want to see IMPL come up to 29, then make a nice triple bottom down at 28.30. Then we'd be able to get a good entry on it. Oh. A-pop just dying off. I don't like that. ENVB. ENVB. Thank you for the like, my man. MMAT looking for the nice double bottom. Oh, we broke it. Yep. 27-86. Don't like it. Don't like it. Don't like it at all. Gonna stop watching it. FT and BBIG. Is BBIG moving? No, it's not. Guys, I'm gonna go to the restroom real quick. I'll be right back.
Make your $1,000. Make that $1,000. Boy. Welcome to Friday. Welcome to before day weekend. Stopped out on there. Stopped out. So,
Guys, everything is just kind of breaking out to the downside. That's what we don't want to see.
But I didn't position. Long. At 100. Long. Reality. Per trip. I don't want to put my
A-Pop could be a nice red to green move on the 15-minute.
have another opportunity to rock and roll, but right slightly red on the day on
Oh man.